when it hits like 19 hertz, the whole box jumps. These aren't even supposed to hit super low.
Really? Damn. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. That's fine. Shut the doors for info first. I do a lot of videos.
Wow,
I know. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Andrew, 2 Scars EVX, 18s, MD, 2 amps, 8K, 170 amp North Star, and 320 amp high output from Autotech.
Okay. You did a lot of work up here.
Yeah, and still not done. I still have another half a box down there that needs to go up.
Nice. What is your amp wired to?
Which one?
The bass amp.
This it's wired to this, and then this is wired all the way out.
Is it a 1 ohm or?
Yeah.
1 ohm. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. And your port? Is there a port in the back?
Yeah, 2 ports.
Okay, I'll see it after.
Yeah, they're pretty big.
Awesome. All right.
Something that hits real
Looks good.
nice.
Is everybody can see the back real quick?
Yeah, no problem.
Nice. And you gotta mount it down so it doesn't move.
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
When it hits like 19 hertz, the whole box jumps. These aren't even supposed to hit super low.
Really? Damn. Team Bass Outlaws.
Yep. Florida chapter.
All right. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Yeah, it's hot. You do better window. Open the door or window down?
What did I do here? Uh-oh. Try to hit that one.
Just open the door?
Yeah.
All right.
The window broke.
Bass problems.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. All right. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I'm looking forward to showing y'all a good 3-minute bass demo of these 215s slapping really hard in this Dodge Nitro. Really impressive to see how loud they got, and they were playing really low down into the teen frequencies, as he was saying, for the bandwidth. So if you notice the way the subwoofers are mounted, they aren't inverted, so you can't see the motors, but it is a really big box. I wish I would have found out how many cubes was in it, but I have no clue. I'm going to guess it's around 8 to 9 cubes net. And being an 8,000 watt amplifier, it's a perfect match for the ZVX series Scar. And if you see the way the port has a divider in the middle, that's a really good idea. It may block a little bit of the airflow, but it helps reinforce the box a little bit. And I see a lot of people build systems like this where the subwoofers are actually mounted up and then the port is going back in these hatchbacks or SUVs like this. Definitely the most optimal route to go. And having that much space between the back hatch and the box gives you some room for opportunity to get louder just by adjusting where that depth distance is. So every vehicle, whether you're in a trunk or an SUV or any system, move your box around and see what is the loudest for you. I know I've gained over 3 decibels just by box relocation in an SUV, so definitely worth trying that out. And if you haven't already, hit that like button. You did a really good job. We're getting to the bass demo now. He gave us a good 3-minute demo with some good solid flex, slapping hard. And be sure to hit that subscribe notification bell and enjoy the daily videos coming every day on Jacob Viral.
ammo. You have a good day. Team Base Outlaws.
Yep. Florida chapter.
All right.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.